what is IDE and how can we use some IDE in terms of a developer. So the IDE which I'm using is basically Eclipse. So in my system, I have a different version of Eclipse. So it's a Spring tool suite. It's basically Eclipse. So uh, I will tell you how to install, download, and install this Eclipse. So Eclipse is available for free in the Eclipse website. You can just go to Eclipse website and download it from there. Okay, putting this exe file. Just go and run exe file. The prerequisite for this Eclipse to start working is you should have Java installed in your machine. Okay, so Java is the primary requirement. So if you have Java, then you are good to use. Um, Toolsuit is nothing but Eclipse. Okay, so you can use Eclipse, you can use NetBeans, you can use IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA is the recommended IDE. What is IDE? We also has integrated development tool, right? IDE environment also. Okay. What it brings in is whenever you get any errors or you have any conflicts or any different types of issues in your program, it automatically detects, not only detects and gives you some suggestions how to solve those issues. Okay. That is, that is where Eclipse stands next. Okay, developers. Just a moment until it boots up. Waiting for Eclipse to start. Until it starts on our um, that path that we were in. Okay, yeah. So in last class, whatever we understood what is unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators, and how to declare a variable is what we have understood, and we have understood what are data types, and we also understood how memory is being shared between the variables in the heap memory. Okay, so I just want to give you a brief idea on how these are done and how can we write programs or how can we do all this in IDE. Okay, so IDE is something very good to start now because you already know the basics, how to compile, how to execute, and this is the high time we start using any IDEs. So let me see if it has started. Yes, let it begin. Okay, no problem. Let it take time to start. Yeah, I think it's currently starting. Okay, so now the very important thing that yesterday I was telling you about operators. I was saying you there is something called as unary, binary, and ternary operators, and how to make use of them and all that, right? So today we'll go a step forward and understand more details on this, and we'll play around a lot of concepts. The main thing which I came for this video is to make you understand how the memory structure of Java programs would be. This is the primary, which where I'm concentrating on this particular session, video session. So yesterday I was saying you there is some code which I was trying to write and I was trying to explain you what it is. So like for example, I just opened my Visual Studio. I'm creating a new Java project here. So because I want to do some code on Java. So let's say open this. I can give some project name for my project. Java 3. Just naming it as Java day 3, Java 3. Okay, and I'm doing next, and Next step would be finish, directly to finish. So you will get that done. You can see there's an SRC folder which it automatically creates for you, and then you click on finish. Okay, so now your IDE is up and running. So it will ask you for modulo information dot Java. So this is somewhere Java 11 feature. So you don't want this as of now. So just say don't create. So now you have a project and you have a source file where you will write your programs. Okay. So this is the structure which gets generated in IDE. Okay. So here I just click on this SRC folder. So SRC folder is where we need to start programming. So we can just go to SRC and right click and create new. Okay, new class. So I was creating classes previously, right? So the same thing here. I can create a class. So while creating class, I can give class name. So I can give it like demo 4. Okay. So demo 4. And I can also say include public static void main in my program and click on finish. Beautifully, your IDE will generate some code for you. And after generating the code, you will have that particular class name as well as main that automatically generated for you. Okay. So from this place, you will start coding. Okay. So whenever make any mistakes. Say, for example, you are having an integer variable and you are trying to assign some string to it. Okay, so automatically your Eclipse IDE will tell you, okay, there is a problem, boss. Okay, so what is the problem? You can go and read what is the problem. So it says change type of A to string. Okay. So it says, okay, type of A, you change it to string. It is integer here. You change it to string. It will suggest you. If you go and click on this, it will automatically change A to string. That's the power of IDE, right? One not only understands what is the mistake that you're making, it also gives you suggestion.
స్టార్ట్
Uh,
చేసేసిండుగా బాయ్
correct.
రవేంద్ర బండి స్టార్ట్ చేసిండు బాయ్ నువ్వు రాస్తుండు ప్రోగ్రామ్